Hello everybody, this is Kyle with Indiana Kayak Fishing Journal. One of the things I've been up to this fall is I've been working really hard to try to get some good fly fishing for pike footage because I'm giving a presentation on fly fishing for Northern Pike on February 10th, 2018 at the Classic Cafe here in Fort Wayne. I'm doing that for the Three Rivers Fly Fishing Fly Tying Show that we put on every year here in Fort Wayne. So like I said, if you guys are looking to learn more about Northern Pike, fly fishing for Northern Pike, definitely come to the show and check out my presentation that I'll be giving February 10th, 2018. So that being said, like I said, I've been working really hard to try to get some good footage, and it's been pretty difficult for me to get some good footage of it. It always seems like by the time I get fish, like my camera battery's dead or something else has happened and I just don't get the footage. Like one of the fish that I'm going to show you in this video, the camera was on my head, it was on, but it was not recording at the time where I caught this fish. This great big fish comes up, takes my fly right at the boat, gives me this great fight. I'm really excited because I finally got, a good pike on video, and I hit the record button to stop the camera, and it started recording. So at that point I knew I had already missed it. So like I said, I did get a couple of fish on video. I think I got four decent fish on video. They're mostly smaller fish, but the strikes are still really cool. They're really neat fish. So I hope you guys enjoy this footage, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about what I'm doing it, where I'm doing, all that good stuff. Hope you enjoy the footage.
There's a decent fish. It's in the tree. Hold on a second. Oh no! Why would you do that? There he is. That was awesome. I was like, ooh, there's a decent one. I cast to him and bang, nailed it. It's not as big as I thought he would. Oh, I got splashed. There he is. That was awesome, though. That was a good strike. Thanks, little buddy. Yeah, he's like, I think the fly is actually bigger than him. Hey, what are you doing? Oh. Wow. That was a strike. Now I'm on fire? Fantastic. Good job. Arr. Oh, really? There he is. There he is. Oh, where you going, bro? Where you going, bro? That was awesome. He like popped out again looking for it. It was just sitting there on the bottom. Where'd it go? Tricked you, didn't I, bro? Oh, I get it. I get it, dude. Hooray! Just pliers just so he doesn't F me up really bad. That one was a long time coming up.